Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 5 ton per day capacity cube ice machine. Cubic shape ice. This is the machine and outside the ice factory for releasing the heat into the ambient. Let's walk around this 5 ton per day capacity cubic shape ice machine. The machine is equipped with 18 pieces of evaporators. As you can calculate here, we can count it. 18 pieces of evaporators are working together. And this is the ice storage bin below the evaporators. Ice falls into the storage bin automatically and be kept inside temporarily. And this is the foot switch to open on the screw conveyor for removing the ice out. Okay. Control panel of the machine. This is the back of the machine. We remove all the steel plates so we can see the inside. This is the 25 horsepower Bitzer piston compressor. This is the compressor model. 25 horsepower piston compressor. This is the liquid receiver below the compressor. Okay. Again, this is the air cooling condenser. It's separated from the machine. Water pump to remove the water circulation in the evaporators. This is 18 pieces of evaporators working together. We can see the coils. Ice is formed on the pipes. You can see the water circulation. Water circulation. Water circulation. Okay. This is the ice force sensor. The ice force sensor will stop the machine when the ice is full. We will make more videos when the machine is defreezing. Okay, we can see the ice is coming down from the evaporators. The system is defreezing now. Hot freon remove the ice from the evaporator. Okay. This group of evaporators are deep freezing now. Okay. Perfect. So convenient. Very well frozen. So the machine removed all the ice and the system is freezing again for another cycle.